Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Ethiopia, a country that boasts a rich tapestry of cultural and natural heritage. Nestled in the Horn of Africa, Ethiopia is not only one of the oldest nations in the world but also a treasure trove of history, tradition, and breathtaking landscapes. From the ancient rock-hewn churches of Lalibela to the stunning Simien Mountains, Ethiopia offers a unique blend of experiences that captivate the heart and soul of every traveler. Ethiopia is renowned for its diverse cultures, with over 80 ethnic groups and languages, each contributing to the vibrant mosaic of traditions, music, and art. The country's historical significance is profound, being the birthplace of coffee and home to the ancient kingdom of Aksum, which boasts remarkable archaeological sites. As we delve into this video, we will uncover the stories behind these incredible landmarks and the people who call this land home. Prepare to be engaged and informed as we take you on a journey through Ethiopia's most amazing places. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or simply someone looking to immerse yourself in a new culture, Ethiopia has something for everyone. From the stunning landscapes of the Danakil Depression to the serene beauty of Lake Tana, each destination tells a story waiting to be discovered. So, join us as we embark on this exciting adventure and uncover the wonders that make Ethiopia a truly remarkable destination. The rock-hewn churches of Lalibela. The rock-hewn churches of Lalibela stand as a testament to Ethiopia's rich religious heritage and architectural ingenuity. Carved directly from solid rock in the 12th century, these unique monolithic structures are not only remarkable feats of engineering but also serve as a profound expression of faith. Each church, intricately designed and meticulously crafted, showcases the artistry and devotion of the craftsmen who dedicated their lives to this monumental project. The churches are interconnected by a series of tunnels and trenches, creating a sacred landscape that draws visitors from around the world. Historically, Lalibela holds immense significance for Ethiopian Orthodox Christianity. The churches were commissioned by King Lalibela, who envisioned them as a New Jerusalem, to provide a pilgrimage destination for Christians unable to travel to the Holy Land. This vision was rooted in the belief that the churches would serve as a spiritual refuge, embodying the essence of faith and devotion. Each church is dedicated to a specific saint or biblical figure, further enhancing their religious importance within the Ethiopian Orthodox tradition. Recognized for their cultural and historical value, the rock-hewn churches of Lalibela were designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1978. This status not only highlights their architectural marvel but also underscores their role as a pilgrimage site for thousands of Ethiopian Christians each year. The annual celebrations and religious festivals held at Lalibela attract pilgrims who come to honor their faith, making it a vibrant center of spirituality and community. The churches of Lalibela are truly a remarkable fusion of art, history, and devotion, inviting all to experience their enduring legacy. Simien Mountains National Park. Simien Mountains National Park is a breathtaking natural wonder that showcases some of Ethiopia's most dramatic landscapes and rich biodiversity. Renowned for its towering peaks, including Ras Dashen, the highest point in Ethiopia, the park features rugged cliffs, deep valleys, and expansive plateaus that create a stunning backdrop for outdoor enthusiasts. The dramatic topography offers a unique blend of beauty and adventure, making it a must-visit destination for nature lovers and trekkers alike. One of the park's most remarkable features is its unique wildlife, particularly the gelada baboon, often referred to as the bleeding heart baboon due to the distinctive patch of red skin on its chest. These fascinating primates are known for their social behavior and can be seen grazing on the park's lush grasslands. In addition to geladas, the Simien Mountains are home to other endemic species, such as the Ethiopian wolf and the wali ibex, making it a vital area for conservation and biodiversity. For adventure seekers, the park offers a variety of trekking opportunities that cater to different skill levels. Trails wind through the stunning landscapes, providing trekkers with panoramic vistas and the chance to experience the park's diverse ecosystems up close. Whether embarking on a multi-day trek or enjoying a day hike, visitors are rewarded with unforgettable views and the chance to connect with nature. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Simien Mountains National Park is celebrated for its exceptional natural beauty and ecological significance. This designation highlights the importance of preserving this unique environment for future generations, ensuring that the park remains a sanctuary for both wildlife and adventure seekers. The Danakil Depression. The Danakil Depression is a mesmerizing and otherworldly landscape that captivates all who venture into its extreme environment. Located in northeastern Ethiopia, this geological marvel is renowned for its striking features, including vast salt flats, colorful sulfur springs, and active volcanoes. The region's unique topography is shaped by tectonic activity, resulting in dramatic formations that create a surreal atmosphere, often likened to another planet. With temperatures soaring to some of the highest recorded on Earth, the Danakil Depression is recognized as one of the hottest places on the planet, making it a challenging yet fascinating destination for adventurers. The extreme climate of the Danakil Depression presents a harsh reality for its inhabitants, the Afar people, who have adapted their way of life to thrive in this unforgiving environment. Known for their resilience and resourcefulness, the Afar culture is deeply intertwined with the land, relying on traditional practices such as pastoralism and salt mining. The Afar people are skilled in navigating the arid terrain, herding camels and goats while utilizing the region's salt deposits for trade. Their vibrant culture, characterized by unique customs and traditions, offers visitors a glimpse into a way of life that has persisted for centuries amidst the challenges of the landscape. As you explore the Danakil Depression, you'll be struck by the stark beauty of its geological features and the rich cultural heritage of the Afar people. This extraordinary region invites you to witness the remarkable interplay between nature and humanity, showcasing the resilience of life in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Addis Ababa. The vibrant capital. Addis Ababa, the bustling capital of Ethiopia, is a city rich in cultural and historical significance, serving as a vibrant hub for diplomacy and heritage in Africa. Founded in the late 19th century, Addis Ababa has grown into a melting pot of traditions, languages, and communities, reflecting the diverse tapestry of Ethiopian society. Among its key attractions is the National Museum of Ethiopia, home to the famous fossilized remains of Lucy, one of the oldest hominids ever discovered. This museum offers visitors a fascinating glimpse into Ethiopia's ancient history and its pivotal role in the story of human evolution. Another notable landmark is the Holy Trinity Cathedral, an architectural masterpiece that stands as a testament to Ethiopia's deep-rooted Christian heritage. This cathedral not only serves as a place of worship but also houses the tombs of Emperor Haile Selassie and other prominent figures, making it a significant site for both locals and tourists alike. Addis Ababa is also renowned for its diverse culinary scene, where traditional Ethiopian dishes like injera and doro wat can be savored in local restaurants and bustling markets. The city's vibrant markets, such as Mercado, offer an immersive experience, showcasing a variety of spices, textiles, and handicrafts that reflect the rich cultural heritage of the nation. As the political capital of the African Union, Addis Ababa plays a crucial role in African diplomacy and culture, hosting numerous international conferences and events. This dynamic city invites visitors to explore its rich history, diverse flavors, and cultural vibrancy, making it an essential stop on any journey through Ethiopia. The Omo Valley. A cultural mosaic. The Omo Valley is a captivating region in southwestern Ethiopia, renowned for its rich cultural diversity and the vibrant traditions of its numerous tribes. Home to over 16 distinct ethnic groups, including the Hamar, Mursi, and Karo, the valley showcases a fascinating array of lifestyles, customs, and artistic expressions. Each tribe possesses unique traditions, from the Mursi women's iconic lip plates to the Hamar's elaborate ceremonies celebrating adulthood. These cultural practices not only reflect the tribe's identities but also their deep connection to the land and their ancestors. Cultural preservation is of paramount importance in the Omo Valley, as globalization and modernization pose challenges to these traditional ways of life. Tourism plays a vital role in supporting local communities while promoting awareness of their rich heritage. By visiting the Omo Valley, travelers contribute to the economy and help sustain the cultural practices that define these tribes. Responsible tourism initiatives encourage visitors to engage with local communities, fostering mutual respect and understanding. Opportunities for cultural exchange abound in the Omo Valley, as visitors can participate in traditional ceremonies, learn local crafts, and share stories with tribal members. This engagement not only enriches the travel experience but also empowers the communities by providing a platform for their voices and traditions to be heard. As the Omo Valley continues to attract attention from around the world, it stands as a testament to the beauty of cultural diversity and the importance of preserving these unique ways of life for future generations. Exploring the Omo Valley offers a profound journey into the heart of Ethiopia's cultural mosaic, inviting all to appreciate its vibrant heritage. In this video, we have journeyed through the remarkable wonders of Ethiopia, highlighting its rich cultural heritage and breathtaking landscapes. From the architectural marvels of the rock-hewn churches of Lalibela to the stunning vistas of the Simien Mountains National Park, Ethiopia offers a diverse array of experiences that captivate the heart and soul of every traveler. We explored the otherworldly landscapes of the Danakil Depression, the vibrant capital city of Addis Ababa, and the cultural mosaic of the Omo Valley, each showcasing the unique traditions and lifestyles of its people. The key takeaways from our exploration emphasize the importance of cultural preservation and the role of tourism in supporting local communities. By visiting these incredible sites, travelers not only enrich their own lives but also contribute to the sustainability of Ethiopia's diverse cultures. We encourage you to explore these amazing places, immerse yourself in the local traditions, and learn more about the stories that shape this beautiful nation. If you enjoyed this journey through Ethiopia's wonders, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more travel content. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow adventurers who are eager to discover the beauty and richness of Ethiopia. Together, let's continue to explore the world and celebrate the diverse cultures that make our planet so extraordinary. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we look forward to sharing more incredible destinations with you in the future.